In this Snapchat tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create a public profile on Snapchat, allowing you to grow a following beyond just messaging friends. Let's get started from scratch. Before we begin, ensure you've updated your Snapchat app to access this feature. 1. Update Snapchat app. And make sure your Snapchat app is up to date to access the latest features. 2. Adjust privacy settings. Tap on your profile icon. At the top of the screen, select the settings gear icon. Customize your privacy settings. For example, enable the quick add option. For easier connections, you can adjust visibility settings to make your profile more accessible. 3. Create a public profile. Look for the option to create a public profile. It may be under the 3 dots menu or within your profile settings. Follow the prompts to start building your public profile. Since I already have public profile, that's why you don't see the create public profile option. So I will click on my public profile. Confirm that you're okay with displaying your name on snaps posted to Spotlight or Snap Maps. 4. Edit your public profile. After creating your public profile, go to your profile section, add a profile picture, write a bio, and optionally share your location. Choose whether to display or hide your subscriber count. Preview your profile to see how it appears to others. 5. Engage and grow. Share interesting content on your public profile to attract subscribers. Utilize Snapchat highlights to showcase your best snaps. Creating a public profile on Snapchat allows you to reach a wider audience and grow your following beyond just chatting with friends. Customize your profile to make it engaging and start sharing your snaps with the world. Enjoy building your Snapchat presence. I hope you find this tutorial useful. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Happy snapping!